Hi.
Say your names.
I'm TOBIYAH and this is SILAS.
And what are you guys unboxing? Simply Earth's April box.
Simply Earth. Oh, what it was?
Simply Earth.
Simply Earth.
April's box.
April Fool's box.
No. April's box.
April's box.
Okay, go ahead and open it.
Come on. Wanna help me open it?
And we're going to tell them what comes in the Simply Earth subscription box.
You want to hold the cards for me, Silas?
You got to hold the cards up, okay?
So
while they're holding up the cards, Simply Earth is an organization that sells 100% therapeutic grade essential oils. And you can get a monthly box for around $40 a month. I'll include what you can do in the comments below to how to get that. The box comes with all sorts of goodies. They also, hold on guys, they also support fighting human trafficking, and they donate 13% of that. All the proceeds for 13% of it goes to human trafficking. So we'll start with the stickers. Here's your little label stickers that they give you to put on all of your recipes. And they even have what they fight for here. Okay, go ahead and hand me the recipe cards, guys. Recipe cards. And then they have the recipe cards. So, and it tells you how to do this. On the back it talks about making a difference with the 13%, what they do with that. And here's another recipe. On the back of that one, it is next month's box is all about pets. And even if you don't have pets, these oils are really good for other things as well. And then there's that one. Hold on, guys. Hold on, guys. We'll get to you in a second. And then about this month's box, April is home care. And then we've got that. And the surface cleaner. And this talks about all the oils that come in April's box.
Mommy, so can we get to the oil part?
We'll get to the oil part. Go ahead and hand me an oil, sweetheart.
How about bee?
What do you think it says?
Booby, what?
B-O, be gone. And it has, in here, it tells you what's in there. Patchouli, lang-lang, sandalwood, lavender, and sweet orange. And it smells really good. Okay, we're going to go to the next one. Silas, grab me the next one. Okay, this is nutmeg. Okay, let's see if it'll... That next one's tea tree. There we go. Oh, nutmeg. On the back, it also, on some of the bottles, it'll say right here, it'll say the age. Recommended age for the child. And then tea tree. Don't hit your brother, please. Okay. And then we have tea tree, which has a recommended age of 2+. Good job. That is lemon. And then we have lemon. Let's see. There you go. And on the back here, 2+. And then this month box comes with castile soap. Little 2-ounce bottle of soap to make a recipe.
And it also comes with an empty spray bottle. That's
right, an empty spray bottle. So what I love about this box is it's so family friendly. It helps you learn about natural remedies, and I love the fact that they fight for human trafficking and
essential oils.
Thank you so much, and everybody say bye. Say bye.